Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Morgate, Florida, and today I got something really exciting to show you. It's on my personal truck, but it's something you probably would like for your vehicle as well. So come this way. What am I talking about? Well, as you can see, I am wearing the Roll and Lock hat today, and what do I have on my truck? I got the new E-Series Roll and Lock with the XT rails. That's right, the new T-slot rails. They're just coming out. This is probably the very first one out. Roll and Lock, I placed this order back in, I think, December of last year, and I just got it. It took me a little bit of time, but I'm assuming I'm the first one to get the electric model. And what am I doing? I'm doing a video. I'm showing my C&H public some new products. As you can see, we put Rhino racks on here, and there's a couple brands, Thule, Yakima, and Rhino racks all work with this. Right now, it seems like Rhino Racks is the only one making this stuff, because every time I check the other brands, they always seem to be out of stock. So we're promoting a lot of Rhino Racks. So let's go and take a look at some cool things before I open this up. Look at how nice this seal is right here. This is a terrific seal. And I really love the fit and finish of this cover. I think it's absolutely terrific. So let's go inside here and look at all the cool stuffs here. Now, of course, this is going to come with a remote. And if you look inside the bed here, let's go and turn the light on here. And there we go. Now this is actually extremely bright at night. Now, as you can see, we do have a Bedrug in here, some swing cases, and we're going to show you those things in a second. But also I want you to notice how small that canister is. It's a very small canister, and I do have the Bedrug kind of up underneath it, which I think it gives a nice look. So let's go ahead and get the remote, hit the one button there. And what again I like about this, it's extremely quiet. It's not a noisy cover. And I just pushed the button one time. Now, if I want to, I can stop it anywhere along the tracks. I can reverse it. It's super easy. I think it's a great setup. I like the way it looks, but the most important way, I like the way it works. Now, this is a lifted truck. I got 37-inch tires. I have a 6-inch lift. And, you know, sometimes, you know, getting these covers and pulling them, it's a little hard. So lifted trucks with a remote, it's the best thing in the world. Now, it's got the T-slot in here. So let's go and show you a couple things. I grabbed a couple of these little fellas here. Now, what's nice about it, you can put little tie downs in here. So you can see I bought some here, which we sell. Basically, you put them on there, you can just tie them up and secure them where you want. Now, I can also put them in the Rhino rack. So if I want to, I take this out. It does have a lock, but I unlocked it. Now, this has this nice little rubber thing here. Now, if I want to, I just kind of peel it off. And now I can put a tie down in here. So again, I just put it in there, just tighten it up. And I'll have some tie downs in the racks. And I just put that back on there. So I can have tie downs all over here if I want to, real easy. I can have tie downs here as well. All in all, it's a nice little setup. Like I say, all you do is just turn it and she locks in place. So really easy. And of course, easy to take in and out. If you don't want to leave your tie downs in there, you just take them right out. And really easy. So I like this setup. Again, I just put the little rubber thing back in here. It's kind of just tucks in here. Takes a few seconds to get in there, but there we go. So, but I like the Rhino racks. I mean, if you watch my previous video, as you know, this is a new cover, and I had another cover on here before. And I had the Yakima racks on there, and I did like the Yakimas. I do find what I got here is probably the next step up. I like the look of them, because the other ones I had were round bars. These are an oval bar. So I'm going to be putting my Safari basket back on. But for the video purpose, I figure I'll leave it off so you can actually see the cover a little bit better. I'm also, if you know from my old video, I had a roll bar right here. I had to remove it. I have to put some new brackets so I can put it back on. I'll get around to that eventually. It's just a great setup. I love the E-Series. As you know, we have quite a few videos, and I started doing some of my customers' trucks, and I said, you know what? I like this cover. I think it's great. I need to get one for my truck. And even though there's nothing wrong with my cover I had on here before, but it didn't have a remote. So now I have my little remote. I like this. I think it's such a well-made product. Roll and Lock is a local company. It means it's here in Fort Lauderdale area, Florida, and it's American made. And they do a great job. I mean, the fit and finish on this is terrific. I do like the rails on this. I like the little slope on the side. They're not too gigantic. I think they're a great size. And again, with the Rhino racks in here, and it attaches really nice. But you can take them off pretty easy too. So let's go ahead and show you that real quick. All right, so if I need to remove these, I just come around here with the key, and let's see, make sure I grab the right key. As you can see from my keychain, I have a lot of keys. I am practicing to be a janitor. So again, I take this. Look how easy to remove that. So I put my finger in there, that locks it back into place. So if I remove it, I just take this, comes right out. You just push that right back in there. Oops, there we go. Make sure it's all the way down when you lock it. There you go. And then this slides right in there. Let's go ahead and this way, with the lock, you don't have to worry about someone stealing your stuff. And of course, they're adjustable. You can move it up and forth, you know, wherever you like. This is a great setup. Of course, it looks great on my truck. But if you have like a Jeep Gladiator, you want to do some overlanding, you want to put some safari baskets on here, you want to put a kayak on here. Of course, the new thing is putting the tents. You know, it's another great thing. This is going to hold quite a bit of weight, so it's super strong and it's just super easy to use. Again, you know, I love this remote. Yes, I put it on, got home, played with it for a little bit. I just sat there in my parking lot, turning the light on. You know, it's funny. I've done these for my customers, and I don't get to play with them because I have to give them back. Now this is mine. I like it. I like it with the Bedrug. Of course, I like it with my swing cases. And as you know, I'm a swing case guy. I think they're great. These things are full to the max. So let's go ahead and I got my little tie downs. I put them right in here. Locks it back in place. Locks in there. And these things, I mean, I don't know how much weight I got in here. It's quite a bit, but they hold up weight no problem. And as you know from my previous videos, they've been here for a long time. That's why we got a little scuffs on because I treat this like a truck. This is not a show vehicle. This is a truck. I use it for deliveries and stuff like that. I do my truck show stuff as well. I mean, I use this like a truck. So, you know, it's going to get a little abuse, but it's okay. I didn't buy this to have it parked. I bought this to use it. So, again, I'm real happy. Even, you know, the Bedrug, which has aged pretty well for all this stuff I've done to it, which is quite a bit. I throw all kinds of junk back there. And, I mean, now I have to keep it clean because I have to come out here and show people now. So I can't beat it up as bad as I need to. Again, if you see something, you say, you know what, Chris, I want that. I like that. Look how nice that seal is. How do I get it? Well, I'm glad you asked. You can call us at the store. We'll ship it anywhere in the country for you. You can come to the store. The address is on the bottom of this video. And then the phone number to this store is on the video, as well as the website. Now, this might not be on the website, the XT. So you're probably better off just calling us, and then we'll be happy to get it for you. And again, if you like what you see, hit that like button and always subscribe to the channel. It really comes out with all the new stuff. And one more thing, I notice a lot of people want to have conversations with me on the bottom of the YouTube video. I have 3,000 videos out there, and every day there's like 40 or 50 people asking questions on there. I just really don't have time to answer them all. Sometimes I sit there, if I have time, I'll answer them. Most of the time, if you have a really serious question, pick up the phone and call us if you're looking to buy something, you know. I mean, I feel bad when we don't answer all your questions, but again, I'm the guy in the back working on this. Dave is behind the camera, is in the back working on stuff. John, we're all working, so we don't have a dedicated guy who sits there on YouTube just answering questions. So if you have a serious question, let us know. Call us. The phone number's there. Of course, in the background, you see a phone number on my box truck. Don't call that one. Call the one on the bottom because that just goes to the driver of that truck. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Roll and Lock E-Series XT with Rhino racks. Of course, I have the Bedrug and the swing cases in there as well. And again, this is on a Ram 1500 with a 6.4 bed. Thank you.